Hey guys, FixAlex here, and today I'm gonna show you how to remove central console on this 2017 Chrysler Pacifica flathead screwdriver and something to protect your plastic. Piece of cloth, or you can even use tape or something like that. So gently stick it under your panel and try to squeeze it, helping with your hands. Try to squeeze it just like that. Not easy. And not easy to remove it. Okay. First time when I was doing that, I was scared to break it. It was cracking, making weird noises. But eventually it's come off. Oh, you see? Just like that. And then just remove a couple connectors. 1, 2, and 3. Whatever, and the other one. That's how you remove in central console, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and comment what else should I record next about this car. Thank you and bye.